In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send draft emails in Gmail. It's a handy skill to have, particularly if you often find yourself drafting emails and then needing to quickly send them all out at once, maybe right after a meeting or before a deadline. Let's get started by opening your web browser and navigating to Gmail, which you can easily find by typing gmail.com into the address bar and hitting enter. You will need to log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're in, you should see the familiar Gmail interface with your inbox open in front of you. Now, let's locate your drafts. On the left side, there's a navigation panel. If you don't see it, you might need to click on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen to expand this menu. Scroll down until you find the Drafts folder and click on it. This is where Gmail automatically saves emails that you've started to compose but haven't sent yet. Find the draft email you would like to send. To open it, simply click on the draft email from the list. Once it's open, take a moment to review its content. Make any necessary changes to ensure everything looks good and that all the details are correct. It's always a good idea to double-check the recipient's email address to avoid sending your email to the wrong person. Now that your draft is ready to send, look to the bottom of the draft window. You should see a blue button that says Send. When you're ready, go ahead and click that button. This action will send your email, and you should see a small confirmation message pop up at the bottom of your screen, letting you know that your email has been sent. If you need to send several draft emails at once, you can repeat these final steps for each draft. If you happen to change your mind or need to save the draft for later, you can always close the draft window without sending it. Gmail automatically saves your edits, so you won't lose any changes. This feature gives you great flexibility for managing your emails efficiently. There you have it. That's how you can send draft emails in Gmail. Mastering this process will save you valuable time and ensure your emails are sent when you're ready. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching and happy emailing.